Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Mine. Happy birthday. Ay, another challenge na naman, another year. Blessed from God for you. Mine, sana patuloy mong i-reach yung goals mo sa buhay mo, ha? And, andito lang ako on your side. As long as we hold on together. I know we can do it. Ingatan mo lagi ang sarili mo. Stay who you are. And kung sino ka, kung paano kita nakilala, sana hindi ka magbago. And I knew that you can do it. Mag-iingat ka lagi dyan. Sana itong araw na ito maging special sa'yo. We'll do our best. Yan, especially me. Thankful ako, Mine, dumating ka sa buhay ko. And promising that I'll guide you in everything, every time that you wanted to be. Okay? Just make your day happy. God bless you always, Mine. I'll see you soon. Mine. As you know, I can be myself around you. You make me feel safe with you to come out to myself. If that makes sense. Which is really hard for me because I don't want showing my genuine emotion. I love you however time we're together. Kahit na ganito na LDR lang tayo. It's very difficult for us, I know. But basically, I can't stop smiling every time I see you. Alam mo yan. I know that I'm not perfect person and I make some mistake, but a lot of love for your imperfection as well. I want you to know that I love you every time na tinitignan kita sa mata mo. And I see a beautiful future with you. And as always, we're talking. Lagi tayong umaasa na i-bless pa tayo ni God ng incredible days coming for us. I'll see you soon, Mine. I love you. You take care always.
Hi, Daddy namin. Happy birthday sa'yo. May your birthday be filled with all the things that makes you happy and bring more blessings to you. And I wish you and Nainay a lifetime of joy and adventure together. I miss you, Daddy. Mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Hindi man tayo palagi yung nakakasama dyan sa SM. Hindi ko kayo nakakalimutan. Lalo ka na, Daddy. Lagi man tayong nagkakatampuhan before. Nandito pa rin kayo sa puso ko. Hindi ko kayo nakakalimutan. Maraming salamat sa'yo, Daddy, sa pagiging tatay mo sa amin. Kahit napasaway kami, nandyan ka pa rin palagi. Thank you kasi nakilala kita sa SM. Ikaw yung tumayong tayo namin dyan. Ikaw yung nagtatanggol sa amin. Pag napapaaway kami, pag may away kami, sumusugod ka din doon. Kahit pinapalo mo kami ng chinelas na emoji. Tapos pinapauwi mo kami. Tapos after that, sa GC mo kami pagagalitan. I miss you, Daddy. Ayan, naalala ko tuloy lahat. Mag-enjoy ka. Sana maging masaya kayo ni Nainay. Sana tumagal kayo. Be strong lang. Be positive. Sana matupad yung lahat ng goals nyo. And then, yun. Mag-iingat ka dyan palagi. I love you, Daddy. And I miss you so much. Sana maging matatag lang kayo ni Nay.
Hi Daddy! Happy birthday sa'yo! Sana lagi kang happy at maging happy pa kasama sa feeling ni Nanay. Mag-iingat ka palagi dyan at saka-enjoy lang palagi. Okay? Love ka namin! Happy birthday! God bless!
Thank you, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy Captain Koy. Today, we're celebrating not your amazing planner behind the birthday tournament, but the incredible person who you are on your core. What you created was not just an event, it was full of love, energy, and connections. A reflection of your passion and the way you bring people together. That kind of impacts doesn't happen by accident, it comes from the heart. Speaking of heart, it's clear how much of it you share with the people around you, especially especially with Captain yours. The way you show up, support, and care say so much about you. You're not just someone who makes bring things happen. You're someone who makes people feel value and send. You're got this rare mix of drives, creatively, and genuine love of what you do, and for the people in your life. And that's why everything you touch turns into something special. So today we hype you and loud because you deserve it. For your hard work, your dedication, and the way you keep pushing forward while staying real and grounded. May this year bring you even bigger wins, more unforgettable moments, and more memories with the people who matter most. Yes, for your adventures and more love with Captain yours too. Enjoy your day, Daddy Captain Koy. This is your moment. Again, happy birthday, Daddy, and God bless you always.
Hi Dee! Happy birthday and sana marami pang birthday ang dumating. Always good health and mag-iingat palagi ng kayong dalawa ni Nay. I love you both. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Dee. Wish you all the best and more blessings to come. And good health lagi. And enjoy your day. Ingat ka lagi, Dee. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dee. Wish ko po sa birthday mo life ng full of happiness. Kasama kami mga anak mong makukulat. At syempre si Ilan din po. Good health po, love, and lastly, money syempre. Sana papaldo araw-araw para marami kaming OPS. May God continue to illuminate your life, showing you the best path and making all your dreams come true. Ay, bali pala. Drive-thru pala yun, Di. Yung Jollibee lang. You are a person worthy of each one of them. Have a wonderful daddy and lagi mong tatandaan kayo ni Inay na nandito lang kami lagi ng mga anak niyo na puro suplado at suplada. Happy birthday, Daddy, from
Baby, happy birthday. Enjoy your day with Nanay. Wish ko na sa'yo is good health, successful in life, and syempre always be happy with your partner. Mahal ka namin palagi. At alam naman namin mahal mo rin kami. Sorry kung palagi kami kasaway sa'yo. Alam mo naman, ganun lang kami talaga. Pero we love you. At I support you. Yun lang. Wala ko siya magsasabihin. Basta kayo na mag-iingat. Again, happy birthday, Ubi.
Hi everybody! And hi to my daddy who's been like a second father to me. Happy birthday! Everyone may know you as the person who has the sharpest tone when you talk. Pero para sa akin, Di, ikaw yung pinakamalambing sa pamilya natin. Maniwala ka, Di, ha? Hindi yan pang-uuto. We treat you like our own real father. Hindi ko man ma-express yung love ko at yung respect ko towards you, pero gusto kong malaman mo na grateful ako sa love at saka yung sa pasensya mo na binibigay mo sa aming mga anak mo. Kasi alam naman natin at alam din ng karamihan na kaming mga anak mo ay hindi madaling i-handle. Kasi kami, nakakapagsabi kami ng mga sasakit na salita, nakakagawa kami ng mga bagay-bagay na puro kalokohan, ganyan. At minsan, siguro, hindi namin napapansin na nasasaktan ka na namin. Pero still, nandyan ka pa rin. Hindi mo kami iniiwan. At tinitiis mo pa rin yung mga ugali naming mga anak mo. I may not be your best daughter, pero masasabi kong lucky ako na nagkaroon ako ng daddy na tulad mo. Na-witness namin kung ano yung mga pinagdaanan mo din sa life, lalo na sa love life mo. Pero ang masasabi ko lang, Di, kahit anong mangyari, nandito pa rin kami para sa'yo. Again, happy birthday. May this year bring you happiness, good health, and everything you wish for. May God bless you always, Daddy. I love you. And to my Inay Earth, thank you for loving Daddy. Stay strong sa love life nyo. Mwah!